അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, you must have seen by now that I use a lot of coconut in my recipes. That's because adding coconut in our diet can benefit us in a lot of ways, some of which I am going to share with you now today. Number 1. Coconut improves the insulin secretion and utilization of blood glucose, which controls diabetes by positively affecting the hormones for blood sugar control. Number 2. Coconut has nutrients that have anti-aging effects on the body. Number 3. 200 grams of coconut on a daily basis can help reduce BMI and aid waist reduction in just 12 weeks. Number 4. Coconut helps to increase energy by burning body fat. Number 5. Coconut nutrition has also proven to have anti-cancer properties used particularly to treat colon and breast cancer. Number 6. Coconut helps improve blood cholesterol levels in the body and lowers the risk of heart diseases. The saturated fats in coconut raise the good cholesterol in the body. Number 7. Eating coconut regularly supports the development of healthy bones and teeth and is also a healthy alternative for people who are lactose intolerant. Number 8. Coconut is excellent for keeping the skin young and beautiful. Number 9. Eating coconuts regularly boosts oxygen in the skin and promotes blood circulation. Number 10. Coconut water and coconut oil helps to treat hair loss problems. Coconut also helps in getting shiny and silky hair. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.